Welcome back to KK Autos, your trusted channel for exploring the future of cars, SUVs, and motorhomes. Today, we are diving into something truly revolutionary, the BYD Motorhome 2026, a perfect blend of advanced electric technology, luxury comfort, and futuristic design. This is not just another motorhome. It is a complete lifestyle upgrade for travelers who want to embrace sustainability without compromising on comfort and style. The journey begins with the heart of the BYD Motorhome 2026, its electric powertrain. Built on BYD's latest EV platform, this motorhome comes equipped with the famous Blade battery technology, which has already set new standards for safety, efficiency, and performance in the electric vehicle world. With a driving range of more than 500 kilometers on a single charge, this motorhome allows you to travel long distances without worrying about frequent stops. And thanks to BYD's ultra-fast charging system, you can recharge up to 80% in under an hour, making it practical for both short trips and cross-country adventures. But the innovation doesn't stop at performance. The BYD Motorhome 2026 has been designed with sustainability in mind. The roof is integrated with solar panels, allowing travelers to harness clean energy while on the road. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or parked at a beach, you can generate power to support your appliances, gadgets, and even contribute to extending your driving range. The motorhome also features vehicle-to-load technology, meaning you can use it as a portable power station. Imagine running your kitchen equipment, charging your devices, or even powering outdoor camping lights directly from your motorhome, all without a generator. Step inside, and the interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The design is modern, elegant, and functional, built for both comfort and utility. The spacious cabin includes modular furniture, which can be converted according to your needs. Comfortable seating areas transform into cozy sleeping zones, while the smart kitchen module comes with everything you need to prepare meals on the go. Advanced climate control ensures the perfect temperature in any weather, while large panoramic windows bring in natural light, connecting you with nature wherever you travel. Technology plays a huge role inside the BYD Motorhome 2026. It is equipped with smart infotainment systems, voice command controls, and an intelligent navigation system designed for RVs. This means the routes are optimized not just for cars, but for larger motorhomes, guiding you to safe roads, campsites, and charging stations. Entertainment is at your fingertips with a large digital display, Wi-Fi connectivity, and premium speakers, making every journey enjoyable whether you're driving or relaxing. On the safety front, BYD has included its most advanced features. The motorhome comes with ADS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. The semi-autonomous driving function makes long journeys less stressful by assisting with steering and maintaining safe distances on highways. Multiple airbags, reinforced body design, and advanced braking systems further ensure maximum protection for both the driver and passengers. The exterior design of the BYD Motorhome 2026 is futuristic yet practical. Its bold LED headlights, sleek lines, and aerodynamic body give it a striking road presence. The motorhome is large and spacious, yet efficient in design to maximize energy use. The smart entry system, automated steps, and wide doors make access easy, while the roof storage and slide-out extensions provide extra space for longer trips. What makes the BYD Motorhome 2026 even more appealing is its affordability compared to traditional luxury motorhomes. While brands like Mercedes, BMW, and even Rolls-Royce are exploring ultra-high-end motorhomes, BYD is offering a balance between luxury, technology, and price, making it accessible to a wider audience. This makes it a perfect choice for families, digital nomads, or adventure seekers looking for an eco-friendly way to travel the world. Beyond practicality, the BYD Motorhome 2026 represents a shift in the way we think about travel. It's not just about moving from one place to another. It's about living sustainably, enjoying comfort on the road, and experiencing true freedom. With the combination of electric mobility, solar energy, smart interiors, and connected technology, BYD has created something that feels both futuristic and real. a vehicle built for today's needs and tomorrow's lifestyle. To sum it up, the BYD Motorhome 2026 offers over 500 kilometers of electric range with Blade battery safety, fast charging and solar-powered energy support, a luxury-inspired, modular interior with convertible living spaces, smart technology including infotainment, navigation, and voice commands, advanced safety with ADAS and semi-autonomous driving features, affordable pricing compared to premium luxury RVs. This motorhome is BYD's bold statement, a motorhome that is eco-friendly, technologically advanced, and designed for real travelers who don't want to compromise. It's more than just a vehicle. It's your home on wheels, powered by innovation and designed for freedom. So, would you choose the BYD Motorhome 2026 for your next adventure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.